Welcome to Learn Center. Today I will discuss about the evolution of Java. Smalltalk. Smalltalk was the first object-oriented language. Smalltalk is a pure object-oriented programming language. Smalltalk has a major influence on the design of Java. Key founders. Java was the brainchild of James Gosling, Patrick Naughton, Chris Warth, Ed Frank, and Frank Sheridan. The origin of Java can be tracked back to the fall of 1992 by Sun Microsystems and was initially called Oak. Oak was renamed as Java in 1995. Design goal. Java was originally meant to be a platform-neutral language for embedded software in devices. The goal was to move away from platform and OS-specific compilers that would compile source for a particular target platform to a language that would be portable and platform independent. The language could be used to produce platform-neutral code. Role of www. The World Wide Web created as a catalyst in the evolution of Java. But for the www, the scope of Java would have been restricted to programming devices. The emerge of the www propelled the rise of Java because the www demanded portability. Role of www. Internet and the World Wide Web presents a heterogeneous platform of devices, CPU, architectures, and OSs. The need of a portable language gathered increasing space. The scope of the language therefore widened from embedded controllers to the Internet. Java and the Internet. The Internet helped catapult Java to the forefront of programming, and Java in turn has had a profound impact on the Internet. Java influenced the Internet by rendering it dynamics. Java made objects move around to the Internet. Internally, typically deal with passive and active content. Java enabling a dynamic internet. Java made the internet the host of dynamic self-executing programs. Such a program is an active agent on the client computer, yet it is intended by the server. The scope of computing platform therefore widened from a client-server network to the internet and the www. Thus, renowned Sun Microsystems claim to net network is the computer. Java architecture. Bytecode is the key to both security and portability. Bytecode is a highly optimized set of instructions. Bytecode is executed by the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). The JVM is an interpreter for bytecode. Java architecture, as you are showing here, source code, then it generates the bytecode, then it go to the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, then it go to the operating system, finally hardware executes the instructions. Java architecture, JVM, showing in the diagram, there is some modules, Java class file, which is a source file, and after that in the right side you are seeing a module called Java API classes, which are basically library. So Java class loader synchronize both class file and Java API, and after that it sent back to the execution engine, and finally execution starts. Java architecture, the JVM. Most modern languages are designed to be compiled. Compilation is a one-time execution and executes faster. Execution of compiled code over the internet is a impossibility. Executable code is always generated to a CPU OS combination. Interpreting a Java program into bytecode facilitates its execution in a wide variety of environments. Java architecture JVM. Only the Java Virtual Machine JVM need to be implemented for each platform. Once the Java runtime package executes for a given system, any Java program can run on it. JVM will differ from platform to platform and is platform specific. All versions of JVM interprets the same Java bytecode. Java architecture, the JVM. Interpreted code run much slower compared to executable code. The use of bytecode enables the Java runtime system to execute program much faster. Java facilitates on-the-fly compilation of bytecode into native code. The Java architecture adaptive optimization. Another type of execution engine is an optimizer, adaptive optimizer. The virtual machine starts by interpreting bytecode. It monitors the activity of the running program and identify the most heavily used area of code. As the program runs, the virtual machine compiles bytecode to native code and optimizes just the heavily used areas. The rest of the code which is not heavily used running by bytecodes which the virtual machine continues to interpret. The class loader is the part of the VM that is important from security standpoint, network mobility. The class loader loads a compiler's Java source code .class files respected as represented as bytecode into the Java Virtual Machine JVM. The Bootstrap class loader load classes, including the class of the Java API in some default way from the local disk. It is also called the primordial class loader or a default class loader. The Java architecture, the java.class file. The Java class file help make Java suitable for a network mainly in the area of platform independent network mobility. The class file is compiled to a target JVM by independent of underlying host platform. The Java class file is a binary file that can run on any hardware platform and OS that hosts the Java VM. Java API. Java API files provides a Java program with a standard platform independent interface to the underlying host. To the Java program, the API looks the same and behave predictably irrespective of the underlying platform. The internal design of the Java API is also geared towards platform independence. Java programming language. Java language allows you to write programs that make advantage of the many software technologies. Object orientation, multi-threading, structured error handling, garbage collection, dynamic linking, dynamic extension. Java buzzword, simple language, large library, simple interpreter 40K but internal runtime library 175K. Object oriented supports encapsulation, inheriting, abstraction and polymorphism. Distributed library for network programming, remote method invocation, architecture neutral. Java bytecode are interpreted by the JVM. Security, difficult to break Java security mechanism. Java bytecode verification, signed applets, portable, primitive data type size and their architect behavior specific by the language. Libraries define portable interface, multi-threading, thread are easy to create and use. Dynamic finding, arranging type information is easy. First Java program, see it having a class which contains a main function, and within it we are writing it. Java source file with the extension of Java, and after compilation it gets the extension of java.class. In this program, hello Java will be the output. This is a diagram which represents how program runs. Class loader, then bytecode, then interpreter, then hardware. So in this way it will work. Oracle acquisition of Sun Microsystems. With its acquisition of Sun Microsystems in 2010, Oracle also acquired the ownership and stewardship of Java. More than 9 million devices use Java to create applications for everything from smart card and smartphone to enterprise server and the cloud. So we can call Java the boss.